This is a complete employee onboarding video. It's on brand, it's animated, it has a presenter, real numbers, and a step-by-step process breakdown. From a blank page to the finished file, 10 minutes. No designer, no editor, no camera, no agency invoice. Hey everyone, I'm Amber. Today I'm going to show you exactly how this was made, start to finish. Let's start with why training video is broken right now. You've got an onboarding handbook, 60 pages. Nobody finishes it. So you think, let's make it a video. You get a quote from an agency, 5 figures, 4 to 6 weeks, and every round of edits costs extra. You finally ship it. 3 months later, the process changes, one slide is now wrong, and that entire video is dead. You start over. But look at the data. Retention from video training runs around 95%. From text, it's about 10. 93 to 98% of organizations already use video to train employees. And teams using AI video tools are cutting production time by about 65%. So the question was never whether video works. The question was whether you could afford to keep it current. That's the part that just changed. When people hear training video, they picture one thing, the new hire welcome video. That's one of 6. Let's see which ones you're responsible for. Type 1, new hire onboarding. Company overview, org structure, what happens in week 1, who to go to for what. You repeat this content constantly, which makes it the highest leverage thing to get right once. Type 2, compliance. Security, anti-harassment, industry regulation. This goes out to every employee every year, and it needs captions, records, and completion tracking. Type 3, internal skills training. How to use a new tool, a new system, a new capability the team needs. Right now, the biggest one is AI upskilling. Almost every company is running it. Type 4, culture and values. What the company believes, how people are expected to behave, why things are done a certain way. This is the hardest to teach because it's abstract, which is exactly why it needs visuals. Type 5, SOPs and systems. How to file an expense, request time off, update the CRM. Step-based content where one wrong step breaks the whole thing. Type 6, policy and process updates. Something changes. You send one video to the whole company, and it lands 10 times harder than a long email. Bottom line, if your content needs to be understood, remembered, and actually acted on by a group of people, stick around. All right, let's build one. Open JoggAI, find AI presentation on the homepage, and click in. And here's the most important thing in this entire workflow. Don't start from a blank page. You already have the content. Your onboarding handbook, your compliance docs, your internal wiki, your SOP files. Upload the file or paste a link and let JoggAI read it. Do this, and what comes out is your company's training video, not something generic anyone could have generated. Then a few settings. Aspect ratio, 16:9 if this is going to your intranet or your LMS. Duration, keep a training video between 3 and 6 minutes and cover exactly one topic. Language, and this one matters a lot if you have teams in multiple countries. And the model, right now it's GPT 5.6. Before we generate, there's one more thing. And if you work at a company, this is the feature you should care about most. Brand kit? Training video is different from marketing video. A new hire opens a video on day 1. If the colors, the fonts, the logo don't match everything else they've been sent, they feel it immediately. And that quietly costs you credibility. Inside Brand Kit, you upload your company's actual assets, your logo, your brand colors, your brand fonts, plus real material, product shots, office photos, team images. Set it once, and every slide JoggAI generates from then on follows your brand automatically. Here's why that matters. Whether it's HR making the onboarding video, IT making a systems walkthrough, or any team making their own training, everything comes out consistent. You don't have to email a brand guideline to everyone and hope they follow it. For anyone running training at scale, that's the whole game. You scale up without losing control. All set. Let's generate. Notice that JoggAI doesn't just hand you a finished video. First, it generates a script outline. This is where you confirm the direction. Locking the content down now is a lot cheaper than redoing the whole video later. And for training content specifically, there are a few structural rules worth following. One video, one topic. Don't cram onboarding, compliance, and systems into the same file. 3 to 6 minutes. Past that, completion rates fall off a cliff. State the learning objective up front. Tell them what they'll know by the end. One takeaway per slide. 3 points on a slide means 0 points land. If the structure isn't right, you don't rewrite it line by line. Just say what you want in this prompt box. Here's what I typed. And there it goes, restructured. The part I named changed, everything else stayed put. Content looks good, click Next. Once you hit Next, JoggAI breaks your content into individual scenes automatically. You've got 4 options here: presenter only, B-roll plus presenter, and dynamic slides. I broke all 4 down in detail in my last video, so I won't repeat it. Links in the description. What I want to cover today is different. Which type of training content gets which type of visual? This is what decides whether people actually watch it. A welcome message from HR or the CEO, use the AI presenter. This part needs warmth and trust. It needs a face. Company numbers, headcount, growth, dynamic slide with accounting animation. A number climbing on screen hits 10 times harder than you reading it out. Old process versus new process, dynamic slide, comparison animation. 2 columns lighting up side by side, and people see the difference instantly. Step-based SOPs like expenses or approvals, dynamic slide, process flow. The steps advance as you talk, so nobody loses the thread. Culture and values, dynamic slide plus B-roll. Values are abstract. Reading them out loud does nothing. Put real footage of your team behind them and they carry weight. Office and team atmosphere. B-roll, and I'd upload your own. Real footage of your real office beats any stock library. Closing next steps, presenter plus slide. That combination feels closest to a real talk, and it's the strongest way to end. Screenshot this table right now. Use it as a checklist when you build yours. It'll save you a lot of trial and error. Content and visuals are locked. Now pick your presenter and voice. JoggAI has a large AI presenter library, plenty of looks and styles to choose from. But for internal training, I'd strongly suggest something else: my avatar. If your head of HR or a team lead has created their own AI avatar in JoggAI, you'll find it right here. Think about the difference. A new hire opens their onboarding video on day 1. Do they see a stranger or the person they're actually going to be working with next week? That's not a production quality question. That's a belonging question. Then the voice. And this is where that language setting comes back. Same avatar, same content, output in multiple languages. If you have teams in other countries, you're no longer rebuilding the same training for every region. Build it once, output it in every language, and everyone worldwide gets the same person, the same brand, the same standard. Happy with it? Hit render. Rendering's done, and we're in the editor. Script for each scene on the left, your generated slides on the right. First thing, click Render Audio to generate the voiceover. Then watch the whole thing through.
Welcome to JoggAI. We are an AI video platform built to make high-quality video creation faster, easier, and more accessible. Over time, JoggAI has grown from a focused AI video tool into a complete platform for modern content creation.
Real talk. The AI-generated slides don't always nail it first try. That's fine. You can redo any of them. Open the slide panel. Every slide from this scene is right here. Find the one you want to change and click Reference on it. That tells JoggAI, this is the one I'm editing. Then in the prompt box, be specific about 2 things: what it should look like and how it should move. For training content, the 2 you'll use constantly are process flow and comparison. Both prompts are on screen. Screenshot them. I gave 2 more in my last video. Number counters and key highlights. 4 templates total. Links in the description if you want the full set. And if you want to swap out a piece of B-roll, head to the media panel. And here's Brand Kit paying off again. Everything you uploaded there is available right here. Your real office, your real product, your real team. For training video, real footage is persuasive in a way stock never is. 2 things left: Turn captions on. For compliance training especially, a lot of companies require them. Then add a music track and hit generate. Your training video is done.
Welcome to JoggAI, an AI video platform that turns ideas, links, content, or photos into videos. We've grown into a flexible creation platform for creators, marketers, educators, and teams worldwide. This year, revenue, platform adoption, and customer engagement continue to rise. New hires get structured onboarding, training, tools, and team support from day one. Our culture values creativity, ownership, collaboration, and continuous learning. Our workspace supports focus, teamwork, and fast execution. JoggAI helps ideas become videos faster, easier, and your way.
Let's run the whole thing back. Upload the material you already have. Set up brand kit so everything matches your company. Confirm the outline. In the storyboard, match each content type to the right visual. Pick an avatar your team actually knows. Polish in the editor. Export. 30 minutes. One complete training video. But the 30 minutes isn't actually the point. The real value comes after. Next quarter, your process changes. You don't reshoot anything, you update one line, hit generate, and the training is current again. This isn't about making one video faster, it's about keeping every training video you own alive. Want to try it yourself? Links in the description and the pinned comment. Don't forget to screenshot that content to visual table and the 2 prompt templates. If this was useful, hit like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments which type you'd build first: onboarding, compliance, or internal skills training. See you in the next one!